So what are smart, actionable steps that successful investors take in a down market? Hey BiggerPockets, I'm Steve Rozenberg with Mind Property Management. What are some of the things that successful people do? Number one, when it is a down market, they have already gotten the reserves needed to take action. Now, leading up to a down market, people that are successful are already studying the numbers and studying the data so that they are getting ready and they are prepared for what is coming. Now, if you find yourself in a down market, that's okay. I would advise that if you can shore up any capital or any reserves, this is the time to do it as quickly as possible. When you don't need money, it's easy to get it. When you need money, it's not always as readily available, so you want to make sure that you have access to capital and you are able to get that capital to be able to use it when you see a good deal present itself. Next thing, when you are in a down market, always make sure that you have clear, defined goals. Do not just go running around on a tangent for any deal that you think is a great deal, but that deal does not align with your goals and it's not part of your strategy. Just because it's a good deal, it does not mean it's a good deal for you. And you always want to be focused on what makes your strategy work based on your goals. So always ask yourself when you're seeing a deal, is this taking me closer to my goal or is this taking me further away? Next, you want to think about multiple exit strategies when you have properties. Now, I'm not talking about different plans, I'm talking about exit strategies. So if you own a property and you were planning to flip it, you may now decide that it is time to buy and hold that property, or it is time to maybe wholesale it, or owner finance it, or maybe sell the note in an owner finance. Have multiple exits for a property or an investment strategy just in case the market turns and the strategy you are trying is not working and you've got to try a new exit. Last thing I would say is always make sure that when you're in a situation, especially in a down market, you are going to hear a lot of people talk about doom and gloom and the turmoil, and they are going to give you all the reasons you should not be doing what you're doing. What's very important here is that you are focused on the solutions and not on the problem. Focusing on the problem is like hitting a bump and watching it in your rearview mirror. There is nothing you can do about the economy being bad. The only thing you can do is work on solutions, which is the front windshield of your car. Look through the windshield and look to solutions, because that is what's going to get you a successful outcome. I'm Steve Rozenberg with BiggerPockets. Thank you very much. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.